We welcome you all to the podcast. We are having it at the IEC GM 2025. Today we are honored to have with us Srimati Kavita Bhatia. She is Scientist G and Group Coordinator, Chief Operating Officer, India AI Mission. Welcome, ma'am, to the podcast.
Thank you.
To begin with, I have a question which pertains to AI. AI is impacting every facet of our lives today, ma'am. So, operationalizing the AI strategy for stakeholders, what is your perspective on this particular domain?
Thank you, first of all, for inviting me to this IEC conference. This has been a very good conference. In fact, so many researchers are here and are listening to this podcast and as well as this session. This is very honored to be here. The question which you asked is very important, operationalizing of AI, because AI touches every facet of our life. So it is very important that the end user, which is the common man, should also get the benefit of AI. So in order for that, the government is doing a lot of initiatives and are taking strategic decisions how we can make AI available to the researchers, to the startups or the developers who can build a solution which can be ultimately be used by the user's common man. In order for that, we have very clearly understood what are the three critical components which are required so that the common man can get an AI application. The first of the most important thing is compute. Currently, the compute is not available to the community in India, and it has been only focused in many of the big countries, global north countries. The government thought that we need to make compute available to the researchers at a very nominal cost, and also all variant of the compute should be available so that he can take a decision which compute he wants to use and how on top of it he can build an application. The second important pillar of the AI is data. India has huge data, but currently most of the data is not being brought to the community. So we are taken an initiative so that the data can be brought to the community and the community can use the data. And on this data, they can build AI application which are Indian context based application. Otherwise, the data of the Western countries being used will not give what exactly our citizen is asking for, because India being a very diverse and a large country, our problems are different. We will not be able to work very smoothly with the data sets which are non-Indian. So this is the second very important we are bringing. And third is basically the skill is very important, because any application which we need to build, the researcher communities need to be geared up. So we are bringing the talent, the right talent, so that the applications can be developed by the talent using the data on top of the compute. So this is the way we are operationalizing the AI in India.
So as you very rightly said that AI is a very emerging area, and definitely the government is planning to regulate the ethical governance of AI. So in that perspective, what is your take on the regulations of AI in governance per se?
Government currently is not thinking about regulating AI because we want 1,000 flowers to bloom. We don't want to hamper the innovation. And currently the legal laws which we have in our country are very good enough, and they are taking care of whatever the harms the AI can bring about. In fact, we want to see the AI from the lens of the human, and we are taking care of those harms through the IT Act or the BNS Act which is there, so that the AI can have a lot of innovation coming into country rather than regulating innovation.
That's a new perspective that we have received from you, ma'am. It was very insightful to have you on our platform. Thank you very much, ma'am, for joining us.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much.